What's good, YouTube? It's your main man codingworm, and I'm back with another video. And today I'll be writing code in Python, everyone's favorite and easy to learn computer programming language. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers, so your subscription is much appreciated. And with all that being said, let's get right into the video. Oh wow, it's been a really long time since I've even logged on to this, but I'm here now because of content. You know, I'm a man of the culture. Let's do it. Alright, I'm good. Next up, variables. This should be fun. Alright, so making variables in Python is like super duper easy. All you do is create a name and assign it a value. So I wanted to have a variable with my name, so I assigned it a value of codingworm. Codingworm isn't my actual name, but it's like my internet name. Oh yeah, you gotta put double quotations around the name because it's
Pythonic.
Then I'll tell the computer to print my name. No double quotations because it's a variable. Okay, let's do this. Print my name. Alright, and the last thing I'm gonna do is write an if statement. You know the whole if this happens, then something else is supposed to happen. Yeah, those. So what will my conditions be? Alright, I'm a Celtics fan. Let's do if Boston wins, print we're going to the Eastern Conference Finals. And the second condition will be is if we lose, the Bucks will go to the Eastern Conference Finals. Boom, everyone understand it? Good, let's go. Alright, so I created two variables. Celtics win on true, of course, and Bucks win on false, obviously. Now, time to run the code.